So I was chasing the chickens out of the brush today, and then I found this big kind of dinosaur looking plant, and so I was researching a little bit because it seemed familiar, and this is a burdock plant, or the wild burdock. At first I thought it was rhubarb because if you look closely, the shape of the leaves look a little bit like burdock leaves, but thanks to some plant ID references that you can tell it's actually burdock by the fact that the underside of the leaf has these little bitty hairs, so it makes it kind of silvery and gray looking. And so when I then looked around, I found there were some other small ones. So in Chinese medicine, we use primarily the seeds of the wild burdock, New Bangzi, and it's really good for kind of toxic heat in the throat. So it's commonly used for like strep throat or sore throats, or if you have any kind of throat infection. So this one, because it's larger, I thought I would just let it grow until the seeds are large enough and then collect the seeds. While this one, there's a couple other ones that are tiny, I'm going to try and dig up and see if I can get the taproot out to be used in the kitchen. Burdock the root is used a lot in primarily in Japanese, but also in Chinese cuisine. So we're going to give that a try and see if we can dig it out. So I didn't get too far with this one. So you can see here I wasn't able to get a very long taproot. But it was good to be able to confirm my suspicions that this actually is burdock and not a wild rhubarb, because when you, the smell of the root is quite aromatic and it has a very kind of like pungent smell to it that I've smelled when cooking with burdock. So it's confirmed this is a wild burdock, so I'll be excited in the fall to come back here and try to time it right so I can put a bag over the seeds and collect them and get to them before all the wild animals do.